So we're in these old units in West End. This is the subfloor. Above us we have a unit that has termites, and this is a old laundry area with a slab on the ground and weatherboards. As soon as we come in, we can immediately tell there is termite activity by the mud leads and extensive damage to the wood. Pretty much everywhere there is damage here, and we can see some massive mud leads going up into the unit above. You can see more damage there, lots and lots of mud, and we can see live termites sneaking in there where I broke open the mud lead. This is Shetterina species termites. You can see the minor and major soldiers there. And they are just rebuilding what I just destroyed. You can see the workers trying to rebuild that mud. And that's the minor soldier, and the major soldier, sorry, and the minor sticking their little heads out, trying to protect the workers. So we've come back 15 minutes later, and we can already see the new mud. They have regurgitated and started sealing the hole that I made. Excellent builders.